What is up, guys? Welcome back to Livin Life with Rick and Jerry. Today I got a new little product for you guys, and this is the Bevinsee? I don't know. Bevinsee LED headlight kits. This is for my Toyota Prius. If you have a 05 through 08 that takes halogen light bulbs, this will work for you guys. So this is the box right here. According to the manufacturer, it offers a 3-year warranty. I got these through Amazon. The link for these headlights is going to be in the description below if you guys want to purchase them, if you guys think these are cool or whatever. So I just got these today from Amazon again. It comes with a nice little instruction manual. Okay, pretty decent. I mean, obviously, if you have, depending on what kind of car you have, the different connectors it's going to be, but pretty much it's going to be like removing a headlight and putting one in. Alright, so let's take a look at these. Oh, it's not bad. The LEDs kind of seem unprotected, but we'll see how they are once we put them into the car. These are supposed to be H4s, 9003s. Pretty much it's going to be for any Toyota or Lexus that uses this type of connector. So again, 9003, H4, and HB2 according to this. So it looks decent. Has a little fan in the back, which is pretty cool. Nice aluminum backing here for heat dissipation. And the connector looks pretty clean. Does have some type of like ballast here. And the actual bulb has a low beam and a high beam. So I don't know about this whole hook stuff here, but we'll see. We'll test them out once we have them on the car. So there you go. So yeah, let's go put these on. Again, link in the description if you guys want to pick these up on Amazon. Alrighty guys, so right now I'm at my Prius. As you can see, these are my headlights right now. The beam pattern, it's kind of trashy. One of these is actually lower than the other one, and this one seems a little dimmer than the one on this side. It's kind of strange. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install these LEDs. So yeah, this one does look brighter. So this is before, and then we'll see the after. Alrighty guys, so for this Prius, this is a 05 through 09. It's gonna be real easy. You're gonna first lift off this plastic cover. This is for your fuse panel, and then you're gonna go right underneath here. And as you can see, there's my bulb, my regular halogen. So it's gonna push down and up, and it should release the bulb. And your wire should be shorter, but because somebody had already installed regular halogens in here versus HIDs, they already did this for me. And I'll put a link in the description, so in case you want to convert your car to halogen from HIDs. So let me just take this off. And there we go. That was it. So put these away and save these for later. Now to put this on here, should be real simple. Alright, so what I had to do is remove the little plastic piece that goes into the headlight. You just twist it off, and it's a little plastic piece with the 3 corners. And then what I did was install that first into the housing, because the bulb was really big and awkward. You know, it's hard to get the clip around it. So what I did is I made sure that the clip was not in the way, and I sealed it up. And then I put in the headlight and at an angle, and then twisted it down so that the cable is hanging down the headlight. And I did this for both sides, and this made the installation really easy. Alright, so now that I installed the bulb, as you can see there, I have the clip installed. The bulb's a little scratched, but it's okay. Now I'm just going to get a connector It comes with, and I'm gonna attach it to my other connector. There you go, real easy, just like that. Now let's see, let's check it out. What's the difference here? Oh wow, look at the big difference. That is a humongous difference. Look how strong this light is. Check out the beam pattern. That is real nice for a $20 bulb for your Prius. So if you're looking to upgrade your headlights, this is the way to go. 20 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. All right, so let me go ahead and install the other side. All right, so now I'm on the passenger side. Passenger side, for my car at least, it's the same thing. They ghetto rigged it. They added a relay, the whole relay system to this thing. I don't know exactly why they did all this junk, but at least it works. So same thing, I'm gonna get in here. This one's a little bit harder because you have to really reach in there. I'm gonna pull the little tab off the headlight. Well, first I'm gonna take off this thing. So we got the plastic, the plastiche. Gotta remove that. And then I'm gonna remove the bulb. So same thing as before. Pull the little tab. Bulb comes right out. I had just replaced this bulb too, but decided to go with LEDs. I think this bulb was like 14 bucks just for one. Now I got 2 LEDs for 20 bucks. So there's my 2 bulbs. Now let's go back to my ghetto rigged regular headlight thing here. Alright, so now I got my headlight in there. Can you see it? So I just gotta connect it. Alright, so it's fully connected. Get this out of the way here. Alright, so let me turn it on so we can test it out. Oh wow, check it out guys. Check it out. So yeah, that's the way you do it. Real easy to do. I'm gonna put this cover back on. So there it is guys, there is my headlights for my Prius. Again, link in the description for these LED headlights for your Prius or Lexus or Toyota. And again, this is the Bevinsee LED headlight. It's only $19.99 and it says it has a 3-year warranty. We'll see about that. We'll find out if they're actually 3-year warranty. But they're real easy to install. Go check it out. Link in the description. Again, for your 05 through 09 Toyota Prius with halogen headlights. And if you have HIDs and want to convert to LEDs, I'll put a link also for the conversion kit so you can convert your HIDs into LEDs just like this. So thank you guys for watching this Living Life with Rick and Jerre video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, so it's nighttime. We're gonna do a nighttime test on these LED headlights that I got from Bevinsee. So here we go. I'm in the Prius. I'm gonna turn them on, and boom! Woo-wee! Things are bright. Those are the high beams and the lows. So we're gonna head down the street so you guys can see how it looks on the road. So there you go, that's how it looks on the road, and high beams on and the regular beams. So the headlights are amazing. The lights doesn't give it justice here. They look bluer than normal. Over here in the phone they look really white. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.